Hi, it's Anonymous, and today we'll be adding and subtracting real numbers without a number line. So to recall, the set of all numbers that can be represented on a number line are called real numbers. Okay, so let's see, we have -1 plus 2. As you can see, we have two numbers, two different signs. Difference means that there will be subtraction involved with this negative. So what this really is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Say we have two numbers with two like signs. So 2 plus 5 is equal to what? Well, we don't have to worry about any of the signs because both are the same. This is secretly a positive sign hiding out in front of the 2. And we'd really have 2 plus 5 equals 7. So we have a case where there is a negative and a positive and a positive. But what about two negatives? So let's see. We have -3 minus 8. And what's that equal to? Let's think about it. The -3 and the -8 both have the same sign, which is negative. Therefore, we will not worry about the signs right now. All you'll focus on is adding 3 and 8. So 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. However, we have to remember that these were both negative. For this reason, -3 minus 8 is equal to -11. We looked at the value, absolute value, which is just the magnitude or the positive value of the number, and we see that 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. We then see that both have negative signs. So -3 minus 8 is equal to -11. This is one case, several cases in fact, in which we've shown how to add and subtract without using a number line. Let's do another example. 100 plus 50. I'll give you a moment to solve this yourself. Okay, if you got 150, you are correct. We simply look at the signs. There's a secret positive sign hiding out here. We have plus 100 and plus 50. That yields 150. Let's do another. -50 minus -60. We have two negatives here. As you saw on the number line in the last video, if you subtract a negative number, what you're doing is in fact adding it to the right side past the 0 on the number line. So what you're in fact doing when you see two negatives right next to each other is adding them. -50 minus -60 is in fact equal to -50 plus 60, which is equal to, you guessed it, 10. So here are several examples of adding and subtracting without using a number line. Thank you, and it's been Anonymous.